In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Brave browser from your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process is the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To permanently uninstall Brave browser together with its files, go to your computer and look for Control Panel. If you can't see this on your Windows computer, then go to Start menu here, and from this, just search for Control Panel like that, and here it is. Now from Control Panel, look for this option called Programs and Features. If you tap on it, this will list all the apps you have on your Windows computer. As you can see from the list, we have Brave browser here. To uninstall it, just click on it, and this will activate this option to uninstall. You can also just right click on the program, and you should see we have the same option to uninstall. By tapping on uninstall, confirm your choice by tapping on yes, and you'll get this a pop-up. Confirm whether you also want to delete your browsing history. I want to delete as well, and then finish by tapping on uninstall. Once that is done, now your program will be removed on your computer. It has been removed, and now I no longer have Brave browser here, and now the process is done. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Brave browser from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.